Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 12th. Time is around 7:40 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So we are looking at two scenarios in the NASDAQ. A scenario where the wave 4 low is in right here after the WXY correction. And there is also a possibility that, we do an additional corrective move. As you can see, this is the wave 4 area, quite a big area. And if you put it in perspective, compared to this bull run, this is actually a shallow retracement as a wave 4. So it could still be that we make an additional corrective leg down, and then this WXY would just be part of a bigger WXY indicated in red. Excuse me. Now, if the bigger WXY indicated in red is playing out, then as you can see, we reached the wave X area right here. So if we take the length here of the wave W, then we know that the wave X should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So these are basically the two scenarios where we should focus on for the moment. And therefore we have to go to the lower time frame. For the moment, the 4-hour is not telling us that much, but I believe here on the 1 hour we start to see interesting things. Like I told you that so far we only had 3 waves, as in like this 1, 2, 3 right here. But now it starts to look that we are having a 4th and a 5th wave. We are getting divergence here. Also, if I look at the 15 minutes, we could consider this as 3 separate impulsive cycles. And so 3 impulsive cycles is in the end an impulse 5 waves structure. So therefore, I tend to believe that the low might be in here. So if we are pulling back, I believe this low here will hold, because what we should get now is, like, if this is finished here, this is a wave 1, then we need a wave 2 down, and a wave, and then wave 3 and 4 and 5 should follow. But if we come back as a wave 2, we can of course not take out this low here. If this was a corrective structure, then it would just mean that we just could continue our journey downwards here, and that we would take out this low. But this starts to look like an impulsive structure, or at least we have 5 waves, or we start to have 5 waves. Let's see what we get next here. And so if that's the case, even if we make the double correction, like if this is an impulse, like of the double correction of this wave X, this can still be a wave A, wave B, wave C. That's also something that's possible. But now in first instance, if we come down, this low should hold. And if we get an A, B, C right here, these are concerns for later. Once we have the structure, then we should analyze it again. But now I would think, if this move, when this move finishes, when we come down, I believe this low here will hold in first instance. And when exactly will we come down? That's a bit hard to predict. Like in terms of swings, we have everything. We also have divergence, but let me check the 4 hour. Yeah. Um, like in the Dow Jones, it's more outspoken that we will reverse than here in the Nasdaq. Um, so yeah, could be finished here. Could be that we see some additional waves to have a better wave 5 right here. This is hard to forecast, but as long as we hold here this divergence, I mean this RSI reading right here, I would expect a reversal soon. So reversal to the downside, corrective move to the downside actually. So yeah, then also this low here should hold. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.